How you doing? My name is Devin Bowman. I'm with Southern Roofing and Renovations. I am here at Marvin Tucker's house. I have his address here. It's 30 Whistle Stop Drive. I have his claim number here as well. Today we're just going to perform our repairability test. Let's get started. So I want to show you the wind crease shingle here. It's a 3-tab shingle. So I believe I'll find the 3 here, but this is where we're going to go. Okay. So found it. So we're gonna do this 3-tab here, this slab, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna get started. Okay. On the nails, you can see a lot of rust going on there, so that lets you know that this roof is kind of, pretty old. I also want to add, I'm not lifting the shingles any type of way. I'm not trying to damage the shingles. I just need to lift them up high enough to where I can get the nail out. I want to show you this one. This nail is not properly on the ceiling. It needs to be a little bit lower. So this nail is kind of high. So I need to lift this shingle to get the nail. Show you something else here. This is by far the most proper nail spot out of all the nails I've taken out. This is the correct spot, I believe. See, I got that out with no effort. So now let's pull this shingle out. Alrighty, there's your damaged shingle there. As you can see, it's in there proper. Now we're going to install this new shingle. I'm using 4-inch nails. We as a company, Southern Roofing and Renovations, we are going to use 4 nails versus 3 nails. We just want to make sure we're using the proper nail usage. I'll use these. Thank you so much. 3. Move our car because she's trying to park. 4.
Yeah, go ahead.
So as you can see here, there's the nail hole there. I know we're supposed to put it back in the same nail hole, but I believe that's too high to put it back in there. So I'm just gonna come here.
Should be it.
Yeah, right here. Alrighty, again, as you can see, there's the new replacement. So as me doing the repairability test, you can just see I just basically created damage on other shingles around it. So with that being said, this roof isn't repairable. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Marvin Tucker. I also will get pictures of this as well. I think we're pretty much good to go. I think that if I were to do a repair on any other slope, we're going to get the same damage as you see on the other shingles around the repair. If you have any other questions, like I said, I will be sending this an email so that way we can communicate from there. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.